At DXN, we just don't build factories. We build a discipline. We build a future. And Kombucha plant of DXN is an example of what we can build at DXN. The facility that we have built is the world's probably the largest automated facility where we are blending ancient wisdom of fermentation with modern technology to build a world-class facility that is going to provide most amazing range of fermented products which are rich in probiotics to address the world's greatest issue that we are facing, and that is gut health. At DXN, we are just fulfilling the vision of our founder, Dr. Lim Siow Jin. His vision was to blend modern technology with ancient wisdom to offer to the world solutions so that they can have a better life. I'm sure when you're going to experience the products from the DXN Kombucha facility, the variety of products that we are coming up is the classic kombucha, the saffron kombucha, the butterfly pea kombucha, and many more range of products that are going to come up. And they all will be ultimately aimed at only one thing: to better your life. So from DXN, we wish you enjoy the products of DXN and make your life better.